Top 5 success secrets for your social media marketing agency. What's up, Drop Services? On this channel, I show you how to make money online using strategies and tactics from my real online businesses that get results like these. So in today's video, we're going to be getting into the top 5 success secrets, practically and specifically how to achieve success through your social media marketing agency with actionable strategies and tactics you can go out there and use today. So let's get into the video. Now, before we get into the video, don't forget to like the video. It can take your power level well over 9,000.
It's over 9,000! What?
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any strategies, tactics, or tutorials that you need for your business journey. And as we go through the video, comment below any questions at all, and I'll personally answer you in an upcoming video. Now, the first SMMA success secret is knowing what gets 80% of your results, and that quite simply is your SMMA lead generation system. The cheapest and fastest way to get SMMA clients is through cold email. This is essentially sending an offer to someone you don't know over email. So if you don't know, you know now. This is made up of 3 pillars: your niche, the software for lead generation and sending emails, and the cold email copy itself. So what is the best SMMA niche to reach out to? Well, the best 2021 SMMA niche is for sure going to be e-commerce for booming industry. Experts predict that retail e-commerce sales will reach 4.13 trillion in 2020. So how do you get your offer in front of decision makers? What's the best e-commerce SMMA strategy? Well, first you need to know that you should be targeting decision makers at companies with the budget for digital services. So ensure you look into their current marketing efforts with tools like the Facebook ads library and SimilarWeb, but you'll basically want to go for CEOs of legit e-commerce brands you can find in places like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, or use softwares like Find That Lead, Snovio, and LeadFuse for your social media marketing lead generation process. Then the third part to your SMMA outreach lead generation system is sending emails. First of all, you want to come up with many email offers to test so you can see which have the best open rates, reply rates, most leads, calls, and sales. So you'll want to use a software to track the campaign so you can test these email offers. And there are many out there such as Woodpecker, Mailshake, Lemlist, and more. The second top social media marketing agency secret is LinkedIn InMail. So SMMA outreach is the most common marketing method for all of us, right? Because it's easy and cheap. The thing is, you know, as a marketer, you should be focused where others aren't. We all have a LinkedIn account and use tools like DuckSoup to do outreach, right? But nobody right now is using LinkedIn InMail, and that's good for us because it's super powerful and effective, yet underutilized. The problem with cold email is that we don't know if our email ends up in their inbox for sure. It often ends up in spam and nobody sees it. With InMail, you can guarantee that they see it as long as they regularly log into LinkedIn, which you can pretty much ensure if you're going through a search, you select the criteria that they've posted recently. Now, here's the awesome thing. If somebody replies to your message, you get the credit back. You can basically save even more money by ensuring that your message has a higher response rate and make your message credits go a lot further. For the most part, SMMA is all about Facebook. It's what we all do, and it's a great place to make money for sure. But why be where all of your competitors are when you can be in an untapped market with not much competition and plenty of customers to go around? So 78.8% of marketers say that YouTube is the most effective video marketing platform, obviously, right? Beating Facebook, which got 58.5% of votes. So in industries that do well with video ads, like e-commerce, YouTube is a must-have social media advertising platform for their marketing arsenal. So in the US alone, the platform made $4.96 billion in net advertising revenues in 2019 and is likely to make up $5.47 billion in 2020. But the cool thing is there are not many marketers there right now. So you can get in there and take all the clients you want in niches like e-commerce. And the next best success secret is specializing in retargeting campaigns as a focus. We all want our SMMA clients to be happy, right? Because if they're happy, they will stay with us month after month. So what's the best way of keeping them happy? Of course, it's to get them sales, clients, whatever it may be. So especially if you're a beginner, the best way to get results for a business that already has good traffic to its website is with a retargeting campaign. It's the easiest type of campaign to run, as we all know, and has the best return on investment on average for your clients, which means the best results for you long-term with clients that stay and pay. So if you don't believe me, just look at the data. Remarketing conversion rates increase with more ad impressions. The average CTR for retargeting ads is 10 times higher than regular display ads. Retargeting can increase conversion rates by almost 150%, which is pretty insane, really. Retargeted website visitors are 70% more likely to convert. According to remarketing stats, retargeting ads cost about half of what search ads cost. And I just took this from one of the first results that came up on Google from Signify Media. There's a ton more research data and case studies out there, and you probably already know this as well if you're running retargeting campaigns. So it's an easy sell to pitch, and you know you'll get good, decent results for your clients, which means you get that sweet recurring revenue. Plus, it's the easiest type of campaign to run, so less time for us, easier to automate. So the fifth and final top success secret for your social media marketing agency is the one that will help you scale your SMMA to the moon with happy clients while you remove yourself from the daily grind. So freeing up your hours to do other stuff you enjoy is a goal in online business, right? We're after that freedom, and you can take up hiking or surfing, pretty awesome, and that quite simply is automation with people and software. So now a lot of you are going to freak out when you hear that. No way, Dylan, then my clients have a bad experience and I'm the best and it doesn't work and you're wrong. Well, the thing is, I get your concerns, dear viewer, but the thing is that once you've built and mastered the system yourself, you can easily hire and train the people and put the software in place to make the job easier. Even if you only get 80% as good results that you do now, you'll still be killing it. And automation also means you can build your team bigger, handle more clients, and scale your SMMA faster. So the process is simple, right? Master the system, perfect the system, then automate the system. After which, you don't just let it run completely on its own, you need to actually manage the system. So don't worry, you can still monitor and make sure the system's actually working, and you should as a business owner that's dedicated to your clients. Now, if you haven't done it already, don't forget to like the video. It's really good luck and will make you feel great. Don't forget to subscribe to the video, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any more strategies, tactics, and tutorials for your business. And comment below, any questions below that you have, and I'll answer you on an upcoming video. And yeah, go out there, implement these 5 secrets, and I'll see you in the next video.